Okay, hey guys, we're gonna have to make do with this. I started this 3 times over, but anyways, for a second, we have a brighter screen. I have no idea how I did that. But we do have a brighter screen. I know it's on 4K, but that's not important to you guys. What's important for today is we're going to, discuss value scales, and we're going to discuss, some epiphanies I've been having lately with pen and ink. I'm trying to adjust the camera again. I think we're good. I just have to bear with it. But we're going to go over some value scales, how you can get your values to be a gradation, and how you can improve on your pen work, as you see here. So it came to a point today, I was like, okay, I know you can shade with Micron pens, I just didn't know how to go about it, and with watching a tutorial and everything, it really helped. Like, you just start with the thinnest pen you have, which is 0.05, and then you build up, like you see I'm doing here. I was pleasantly surprised, because with graphite, let's start with the graphite, pencils. We have a 2B right here, and basically you would start with an HB, and then you work your way up to build and blend with tissues. I'm trying to put same techniques here with pencil, with my pen and ink. Now, how can I put this into practice with my ballpoint pens? Well, ballpoint pens come in different sizes too, and you just gotta get the ball whirling and try to experiment with the different pens and different effects you want. But this is a H pencil. I thought it was 7B. Where's my 7B? But my 7B pencil is the darkest mud, and well, not the darkest mud. 9B is the darkest mud, but and 8B. But so we have different sizes and different. See how thick this pencil lead is if it were sharp. With that being said, Micron pens come in different sizes, and if you start with, let me show you the 0.05. If you start with that, and then build up with your tones, like this one right here, we're going to be doing this portrait together. But I'm really excited, because if you build up your tones and everything, you can get really nice values, and can gradual your values and your tones with just starting with the 0.5. I always thought you had to start with the darkest. I don't know why. I know you start your darker areas to shade with, but I'm just really happy with the results I'm getting. I'm going to be trying this with ballpoint pens too, so I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to go ahead and do the nose with you guys. Hopefully I don't mess it up, but even if I do, this is just practice. We haven't had a video with me doing a portrait with you guys in real time and talking, so I'm just going to go ahead and go like shade if I could get my pen to work. See, that's the thing, is sometimes microns can die out with pens, but when I shade, I do multiple strokes, but again, sometimes my lines look hairy, and if that's not what you're going for, like if you're shading a fur, that's great, but if you're going for a realistic look, that might not be so great. So that's why I'm like, am I talking and drawing at the same time in ink? Yes, I am. Kind of like a little live stream, drawing with, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, but you get the general idea. So I'm doing the base layer with a 0.05, and we're going to go ahead and if you guys want to know where I get my references, and you're probably thinking, why aren't you inking the whole face first? I do have a journal process I like to do. I like to go feature by feature. Some artists don't recommend that, but this is just my process. I'm not trying to sound stuck up or anything, but it's just my way of doing it. Each artist has a different way, and we have to, I guess, respect that, but we can also learn from them. So I'm going in with the 0.1, and I'm going in and darkening the lines. I'm going vertical now, and then with my, it's also important to have a light source. I do have a light source in mind, but this is just experimentation on the spot, so I just felt like turning on the camera and showing you guys. So now we're going to go ahead and do shading a little bit here. 0.2 or 02, not 0.02. I'm getting confused now. We're going to go ahead and do 0.2 or 02. Sorry, I'm getting my Micron pens mixed up. I can find them. 02, 02. So here's 02. Kind of like a thicker pen, but then again, it's still on the smaller side. And so far, guys, my little method technique is working. I'm getting the depth I wanted, so I am really excited. This is just me experimenting and having a little bit of fun with Micron, kind of like a little live stream. I'm not going to complete the whole piece together with you guys, but you get a general idea on how I would go about it with Micron pens. I am shading the nose. Hopefully not too much. It's still a trick to get those highlights in. You want to leave the white of the paper. You want to leave that, so that is really important to get those highlights to shine. So I will say that. I think that's all I have going on here. I'm going to go ahead and darken up the nostril I'm using an 08. By the way, we're going to darken up the bridge of the nose a little bit as well, so I can stand out. That's the beauty of highlighters and Microns, because if you, I'm just doing a little bit 08 here. There we go. Kind of darken up the eyebrows, and I will go back in and highlight the eyes. I'm so excited it's working out. So yeah, I really don't have much else to say here because this is my commentary, but I will go ahead and do a demonstration for you guys of it's kind of hard to do this at the same time I'm talking, so bear with me. Keep saying okay, I think we're good now with the shading. I'm not gonna go overboard with it. We do want to leave that highlight. If you like this video, and this is just an example, I'm going to do an example on how to shade with ballpoint pens at a later time, and this is just how to shade with Microns. And yeah, so I'm really excited of how this is coming out. Like, I really am excited. So if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn your notification bell on. I want to go ahead and go over also as well the value scale. So we'll turn to a new sheet of paper. This is just an example of a portrait, so you can see off the bat of what we're drawing in this video. So we're going to go ahead and go with the value scale that I'll leave you there. So for you to continue to practice, I hope you guys like this video and let's continue on with the video. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to part of this video. So I'm really excited what I'm learning today, and I'm just really excited right now and putting my art to practice. It's really paying off. When I take days off, I'm working on my art. I'm trying to get better with my art so I can teach you guys, and this is a tutorial on how to draw with Microns. Now, with Microns and shading, you can do so much with them, and we've already gone over how to draw a portrait with Microns, and we discussed that at the beginning of the video, but if you made it this far, this is a treat for you. So, when I'm talking about that, I'm going to go ahead. You can use a ruler, or you can use anything, really, to make a box, a rectangle box. If I can find my mechanical pencil, I like to use. For those of you who like to sketch and, everything, I like to use a 0.9 lead for my mechanical pencil. So it gives that darker lead feel, and it also gives that lighter line. So we're going to go ahead and draw a rectangle box to save some time. I should have drawn out already beforehand, but I'm going to go ahead and draw kind of like a 5 or 6 maybe boxes, depending how much we can get out of. I'll tell you at the end of the video or in time of drawing these boxes. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, approximately about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. Now, if you want to ink those boxes, you can go ahead, but that, I mean, for what I'm going to show you, you don't have to worry about inking these boxes because we're going to be covering them with ink. I'm starting out with my 0.5, 0.05, 0.005, not point. I keep saying point. Sorry guys, this is the size pen I'm using for the Microns, and we're going to start at the top right left corner. We're going to work all the way, okay, let me start over here. I'm going to go ahead and write, let me see, where's my 08? And by the way, Microns come in different sizes. We're going to go ahead and mark sun. This is the light side. And we're going to go ahead and mark the dark end, night. So we're going to put dark for the value. We're going to go ahead and skip these 2 boxes and what she talked about in the tutorial. We're going to go ahead and fill in. And notice I am not, we're just going to go ahead and fill. I don't know if you can see if this is picking up camera, or hopefully, because I don't, it might be too bright, but it will get darker as we continue, so don't worry. I am starting in this section right here because it will be gradual, but you want to draw over your boxes. If it's too bright, it might be picking up on the camera. Sorry about that, guys. But bear with me. But you want to draw over your boxes. You don't want to draw in them because it's gradual. But you want to continue with the boxes. It's okay if they're like, but they have to be kind of somewhat equal space between. So you can go ahead and space them however you want to. Let me talk about this. The farther away your spaces are, the lighter it will get. The closer your lines are, the darker it will get. So I wanted to mention that. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to the 01, and I'm going to go ahead. Well, I should. Okay, this is when we're talking, and well, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and skip that, but that could be, so it's gradual. I'm just starting, and a little bit towards the 1, 2, 3, 4th box a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and continue layering. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, I think you can. And then, so that was 01. We're going to go ahead and go to 02. So we're going to 02. And we're going to go with horizontal lines. And I want to say, when you're shading with ink, you want each layer to different line direction. So what I mean by that, so you have your first layer, and this might be a little tricky. So you have your first layer going diagonal. Then you have your second layer. I have to think about this. Second layer, so we have strokes, and we want to go this way, cross them over. And then the third layer, you want to go horizontal. So you want to do that. And for the last layer, we're going to go up and down. So we're going to go with 03. And if I can find it, it would be great if I could keep up with my pen. Okay, 03. Here we go. So you want to go up and down. But notice how gradual the tones are. I know I have to work on my value scale still, but you get the general idea. The more down or more to the right you go, the more darker you'll get. But gradually. So this is a good start for beginners, and I feel like this is a good refresher for advanced artists or anything like that. So that's just my little demonstration. Hopefully you could be shown on camera a little bit, because I know it's a bright screen. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, or when you like to see my video, leave them in the comments below. And I want to talk about briefly, the beach is coming up for me this year, and I do YouTube, and I just want to say I think I might be taking a week off for that, or I might be uploading videos or something while I'm down at the beach, or I don't know how that's going to go yet. This is my first time on YouTube taking a vacation, so I'm not going to say when or where we're going, because that's kind of like personal stuff, so I don't want to go into that. So my schedule is going to be a little bit off, crazy busy. So that's why I'm gearing up for the vacation. So that's coming up very quickly, and I just want to talk about that a little bit. I'm not going to say when. So if you see me not posting anything, that's why. I'm bringing all my stuff and with me, but yeah, so I just wanted to talk about that in the video as well, probably over in the voiceover too. So I just wanted to talk about that, and guys, thank you for being patient with me if I don't post regularly. Summer's been pretty crazy here, so I just wanted to mention that. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for sticking with me this far. If you have any questions or like that in the comments below, the materials I'm using, I am using the Micron pens. This is a video on how to shape Micron pens, so if you have any questions like that, leave them in the comments down below. That's a lot of talking, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bye guys.